Hi, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. Just having a quick look at the obviously the ASX 200. And again, like I said yesterday, we've just got to start possibly trading over this moving average, and we're still in this downtrend. So the next week is going to be really important whether we can break this resistance. You can see it's exactly the same type of price action on the Dow, and even if I go to the S&P 500, exactly the same. All three weekly charts are saying exactly the same story, which I think is quite fascinating. So I do see possibly next week as one of the most important weeks to see maybe where the market's going to go in the short term. Just going to obviously have a look at some of the trending stocks we put on. And again, the market is looking a little bit better, so we're obviously dipping our toe in the water. And one we put on today was Hansen Group, and this is a typical stock that Equity Story we absolutely love. Absolutely fantastic long-term chart. And actually, we've sort of brought this one a little bit more on the short-term chart. And if you can have a look, talks a little bit about patterns and charts. And you can have a look. It's come down beautifully before in early February, hit that moving average and bounced off, and now it's doing exactly the same. So I think Hansen looks good, and I think nice. What is it, about 351, and we maybe got a 380, 390 price target in it. So it could be a really nice earner for us in the short term. Another of the smaller caps we put on at the beginning of the year was Blue Sky. I reopened the trend on the website today. Again, if you like this company, I think it's really good buying. It's again, if you look at that chart, Blue Sky is a fantastic story, and again, it's broken up today through that buy signal. I think she's looking very, very strong. So if you're not in Blue Sky and you like those type of stories, she's well worth definitely having a look at. Again, just looking at BAP, BAP, it looks absolutely stunning, doing all the right things, starting to move up for us already. Again, a great long-term chart, and look at that short-term, just bouncing beautifully off that moving average, and I think about to go for a buy signal, so she looks very, very good. As does Domino's, perfect in that buy signal, and really looks like she should attack that possibly that $60 mark again. And if she does that, we might look to take some profits. And Vocus Group, a little bit down from where we put it on, but as you can see, holding that moving average very nicely. Vocus has entered the ASX 100 today, which is great, and obviously that's going to bring a lot more buyers into the stock. I think it had a bit of reweighting today, and obviously and that's obviously maybe why it's down a little bit. But I think you'll see Vocus do very well for us over the next 2 months, and hopefully again it'll be a good little profit for us in that stock. Just having a look at RAP. Well, it's just absolutely ridiculous. We're up 113%, and now we're up another 52% after selling half. I think it shows how good our system is to sell half and just let the profits run now. And I think RAP, we will let it just keep on running. Possibly if she hits 36 cents, we might make another 100% profit and sell half again. We'll wait and see, and I'll obviously I might have a chat with management and see what's going on there, because seems to be a lot of interest in the stock over the last few days. So potentially there could be a little bit more going on there than meets the eye. And I think just lastly on these sort of recent stocks, the ones we talked about, MBE the other day. Again, this is an absolutely fantastic company. It's in our 3-year growth portfolio, and again got a nice little sort of buy signal on that weekly chart. So I think if you like it, Mobile Embrace, now's the perfect time to get into the stock. Just having a look every week, we know we do those sort of weekly sort of buy and sell signals or stocks that we feel are bullish, and generally speaking, GHC hasn't really had a classic buy signal. Gone up slightly, and I still think it looks very, very bullish. It looks absolutely fantastic looking chart. And again, most of all the buy signals have done really pretty well and given pretty good direction to obviously to people interested in going to the market in the short term. And again, those sell signals have we'll put all the results out on the weekend, but again, they've done, I think, astonishingly well. Anyway, I look forward to, I hope you all have a weekend. I look forward to putting out the weekly buy and sell signals on Sunday evening. And thank you very much for listening to Equity Story. And good night.